guys, we're gonna make me this. Then I'll go where these. Go down and you'll find this perfect, beautiful eyes. Get these eyebrows or get these ones. Don't pick anything. Don't pick something fun. Only pick something. Maybe pick nothing. So guys, you need a dot on your face. Okay, do you want a dot on your face? Then you need. We need the frog hat. We need a frog. Then over where. I don't know like this. Okay, I'm done. Now you. Hey, what you wanna be? Any of the colors. Any of the colors. You have to be only colors. But you cannot. But color your hair black. But you can only color your hair black. You only can color your hair black. Wait, yeah. Wait, I stick that hair. I use that hair for the girl. You only can make your hair black because our hair is our real life is black, so you can use that. I am using that for my hair. That one.
Where's mine? Nothing?
That one. The tiny braids. But you have no braids, so there. You have no braids. You have no braids because you don't have a mustache. You don't have a mustache.
Alright, mustache.
You don't have a mustache. You don't need. You're using boy eyes. That's boy's eyes. No eyelashes. Because girls wear eyelashes. I am green, so you have to be blue. What's your favorite color? Blue?
Hey, why am I done with this? Pretty.
Okay, Kuya, what's your favorite color? Green? What's your favorite color, Kuya?
Wait. Favorite color is
Blue? Blue?
no.
Blue?
Yes, blue.
So you have to be blue, and I am green.
Oh, okay.
You're supposed to be blue. You're wearing blue. You're supposed to... How about green and blue? Because you like green and blue too.
Yeah, and that's my choice.
Shorts. Hey, I'm using that, but you can use it. It's fine. No,
Yeah,
use the soldier one. Fine. And then I'm using this hat. Where is it?
Wait,
I'm using that
I said
frog.
wait.
I'm using that frog hat. That one. I'm using that. I match you. There's Sunny hats. A hat, and that's cleats. What does the fox say? You can be a butt. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. What's that? Is it perfect? I saw this. I'm leaving you, Jacko. No, don't leave me, father. We don't talk about. We don't talk about butts. We don't talk about butts. We don't talk about butts. I am using the white earrings, Kuya. Wait, do you want a one dot on your face? Because if there's a dot, you can use these dots. Like I'm using this one, not that. Hey, I'm using that. You have whiskers. You have that. You have whiskers. You have that. Okay. So let's make our own house. First, I'm gonna go to our bedroom. I will color this green. Green. Like purple.
Did somebody kill me? Oh yeah.
I'll color that green. Okay. We're gonna color it purple. If I make mistake like that, if I screw the bed. That girl serious something in her pants. Her squirrels in her pants and man make me like that. If I squirrels in her pants. There's squirrels in her pants. And okay, let's go to somewhere. I have some new stuff I have. Let's go here. If I in the squirrels in her pants. There's squirrels in her pants. That girl serious something in her pants. There's squirrels in her pants. And then make me jump like that. If I am squirrels in her pants. There's squirrels in her pants. That girl is serious something in her pants. There's squirrels in her pants. And make me jump like that. If I am squirrels in her pants. There's squirrels in her pants. That girl is serious something in her pants. There's squirrels in her pants. Then make me jump like that. If I knit squirrels in her pants. There's squirrels in her pants. That girl is serious in her pants. So I'm singing this squirrel song. I found it on YouTube, guys. Try it now. Found it right now.
Jump like that. F-E-S. Spread more pants.
This is called If I Made the Squirrels in Her Pants. There's squirrels in her pants. That girl is serious something in her pants. There's squirrels in her pants.
Make me jump like that.
If I ate squirrels in her pants. Bum, bum.
Pants.
Tants? It's pants, not tants. That's my brother.
Make me jump like that.
Please say hi to my vlogs.
Hi vloggies.
That is Kuya.
Jump like that. FBI.
Spell
Square
Kuya.
pants.
Kuya.
Jump like that.
So we need to get a new bed. So we have to go to get a hammock bed. I'm going to buy a bed, but I don't know what bed I can pick for us. Kuya. Kuya, can you pick a bed? Kuya, can you pick a bed? This one.
This one.
There's a bunk bed, one bed, this one. This one is a hammock bed. This is a hammock bed.
Ito na lang. Ito. Bunk bed.
Bunk bed. I can make something more better. Let's see. Or I can add this. No, that's not perfect. Or I can make this. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna let you have this. Where is it? I have something idea. But you have this thing. Perfect. Lavender.
Hindi. 64.
Hindi.
Wala na. Wala pa yung progress ko. Wala na. Nag-delete na. Pag nag-delete na ako.
So we got everything. Let's use
Wala na
this
yung
from.
progress ko. Ha? Ano sabi ni Daddy? Lobot ka na?
Kuya, I will let you have a cool.
Saan ka? Ha? Ano? Saan ka pupunta nga?
Okay. Let's pay for all of these. Let's pay for all of these. Then let's put them here. Here's the furniture will go. Okay. Kuya! Uy! Okay, when you saw this, that means your package is here. Package is here. Kuya, you can play my tablet. There's the package. Open it. Let's see. Ooh. This is what I ordered. This flower table? That is not our house. It's big. Our house is that one. That's not our house. This is our house. The big mansion. This is our big mansion.
What's this?
It's a pool. There's a pool thing. There's a lot of that's the furniture. That's a pumper for
I would
the
decorate.
balloons. But I use the furniture. This needs a table. Has a white on the bottom, a table, and then the black at the top. That's the table. I'm leaving you, Jacker. No, don't leave me. I'm your father.
Can I play ibang game, Roblox? Find the rainbow friends?
Before I finish, if you finish,
Please,
I'll put this pumper there, and then I will put this to there, and this supposed to be there.
Halika na, magsulat ka na ng assignment mo. Hoy. Sulat ka na ng assignment mo.
Tapos na ako eh.
Hindi pa. Pilipino pa.
Tapos na yung science?
Yung science, madali lang yung kasi printable lang yung mga object. I-print lang yun. Pero yung iba yung susulat, yung tulad sa Pilipino, susulat ka sa notebook mo. Ano ba yung magkatag na yun? Kasi magpuputol din. Yung namin wala ito na natin natin. Tulad yung nails mo, sobrang haba. Ano na? Ginisip ko yung tenga mo, ang laki na tutuloy mo dyan.
Kasi baka mag-crash yung
Ang haba na ng kuko mo. Anong kulay?
Squares in our pants.
Suotin mo na lang kayo yung black mo kasi nasuot mo na yan. Di ba ano ba yan?
Ay, mami, saan si daddy pupunta na? Sa bahay?
Ibang bansa.
Ano ba naman si mami kasama siya sa akin?
Puntahan niya yung bahay natin.
Ha?
Puntahan niya yung bahay natin.
Dati?
Hindi, yung bahay natin.
Dito?
Yung new house natin, malayo yun.
You?
Yeah.
Wala na yung mga friends ko!
Yung naman, may friends ka ba talaga?
You can make.
I want to stay here.
Sabi tayo dito, di tayo makakabili ng car dito kasi walang parking.
Sa labas.
Hindi pwede sa labas, may nakita ka bang car?
Makita ko.
Tawag dito.
Si,
Asan yung pantalon ko kapon?
Hindi ko nga alam. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko nga maalala kung ano suot mo eh. Nakashort ka lang yata kahapon eh.
If I make me stop.
Hoy, nakashort ka lang kahapon sa Ventura, di ba? Hindi ko alam. Ikaw lang naglapag niyan. Matagal ko nang nilagay yan sa saig yung mga lago dyan. Siguro nilapag mo lang din. Oh, so nilapag mo lang yan dyan. Mahilig ka maghubad tapos nilalapag lang din eh. Ako nga. Alam mo naman mga lago nakalapag din.
kasi na ito, mami.
Kaya ko naman pagtalo sa'yo.
Mami, saan doon?
You're the worst.
Mommy, can I?
Mira, may puputulin pa ba ako sa iyo? Nangangat-ngat mo lagi yung kuko mo. Hindi yan masakit yung will.
Ito sa inside.
Inside ba? Ay, sorry.
Inside Out 2 song and emotions never wrong.
Ulo, naihilagay agad sa kanta. Galing naman ang baby na yan.
And never wrong. God, joy, disgusted, anger, sadness, fear, and so much more. Anxiety, the bad behavior, envy, and embarrassments. High joy, happy feelings. I'm sadness. I'm so sad.
Love mo si mami.
I'm anger, noises.
Gabi na tayo.
I'm fear. I'm
Gabi yan
this.
kasi nag-dream ka.
Just staying
Nag-dream
inside.
ka. Nightmare.
Ano na ito? Ano sabi ko ang pamilya?
Ang pogi ko.
No, just tell me. Really, ako.
Ano sabi mo? Ang pogi
No.
ko. That's a nightmare.
Where's our
Yung
package?
dream ko ay, yung dream ko ay wala niyang mga hair
Where's
ko.
our package?
Ha?
But dream ko ng hair ko, tapos parang old na, parang pangit ako, but parang old na ako, but cute pa ako.
Mm.
Okay, I got our bunk bed,
Yung
kuya.
parang doon sa, yung witch doon sa Snow White, yung face niya, parang kadiri. Yan si dream ko eh. Yung face ko pangit. Tapos kita ko yung mga nasa forest ako, fantasy forest. May mga gnome, right? Mga gnome.
Mm.
Broken gnome, and tapos may arrows sa, may hammer, and tapos may magic na gnome.
Bilis na! Magagawa pa akong show. May
Broken na sila.
merienda
And
natin.
tapos may tao, parang Jason dun sa movie,
Buwan, dahil mo alam.
with a hammer. Wala siya.
Magsulat ka daw ng, ano ba yun?
FBI.
Pangusap na may
No, FBI.
pantangi at pambalana.
FBI.
Sili ibang usapan naman.
Sabi si daddy nagtatawa.
Tayo mo naman tayo.
Kasi dami kong tanging eh.
Kasi sabihin,
Only can fit there
sabihin mo
or
ka papogi
kailang
ka sa
na.
akin.
Kasi ito, si daddy ay back.
Hoy, ikaw nagkukwento ka ba sa teacher mo pag nag-aaway kami ni daddy?
Ha?
Nagsasabi ka ba sa teacher mo nag-aaway kami ni daddy?
No?
Sure ka?
Yes.
Kasi sabi ni Ma'am Juliet may nagkukwento daw na estudyante sa
Si Rosa, yan eh.
nag-aaway daw yung parents. Nag-aaway daw yung parents
That's a
niya.
grade 2?
Oo. Nagkukwento daw sa kanya yung estudyante. Minsan daw kasi tinatanong niya kung
Ba't ka
kamusta.
nasa grade 3 dati? Grade 2 tayo.
Ikaw nagkukwento ka ba?
Hindi.
Baka tayo yun. Kasi mukhang yung description ng teacher.
Anong oras kaya? Anong oras ako alis?
Hindi, kaya ako nag-reply na. Wala kasi sinabing oras kanina.
Bakit nasabi ko?
Kasi anong oras ko?
Dati sa grade 2 ako nasabi ko.
Tsaka anong kailangan ko?
Squirrels.
I-print mo daw yung mahal mo. I-print mo yung binigay sa'yo na schedule na tapos firma.
Like that. Squirrels.
Squirrels! Cellphone ko.
Around the corner, jump like that, and fine.
Mira, ay, di ba pagpasin mo yung suka?
Stop.
Squirrels, 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 squirrels.
I like my sometimes.
Squirrels.
A fireman and squirrels are pants. A fireman and squirrels are pants. There's one in her pants. That girl is serious something in her pants. There's
2
one
p.m. daw.
rabbit makeup like that. A fireman and squirrels are pants.
2 p.m.?
That girl is serious. Her pants, there's squirrels in her pants. Rabbit makeup like that. A fireman and squirrels are pants. There's two. What?
Wait, ako, ayoko ng wait. Wait na yan. Yung mga hindi naman yung tatay mo, tataka siya, nasa laguan daw yung gamit na batis, pantalon. Tingnan mo kung paano niya hinubad yung short niya. Tingnan mo. Parang ahas eh, hindi ko nagbalat eh. Kikita ko dito tapos nalinisip pa, nalinisip. Nalinisip pa lang.
Bakit dapat tapos mo si Daddy ng bell?
Beef lang ka na, parang pagkain dito pagkain yung balahibo mo. Yung mga hugas ako ng baboy dyan, may mga balahibo na yun. Hindi. Gusto mo maliit na balahibo? Yung isda?
I need this
Parang
touch.
walang careless yung kaano. Balik mo yan. Alam mo na, natulog din yung hero na yan, pero kung gumamit yun.
Oh, give a ghost. Ghost. Give it on.
Sinasabi naman yan.
Make a sound.
Yung pinapabayaan mo yung gamit.
I need this. I need that. I need that. I need that. I need this. And I need that. I need that. I need everything. I need boop. I need ba. I need boop.
Di ba, hindi ka na gumawa na tayo ng ano mo?
Squirrel!
Bakit tinanggal mo yung brand ng ano mo pa?
And then I'm thinking.
Ang slap!
Hindi ka na! Walasan mo yan, babe. Walasan mo yung tissue yung basa-basa mo yung mga...
Saan tayong punta, Mami?
Walas mo to, oh. To! Diyan mo yung kakapang-pang.
This is mine. So,
Yung pa, oh. Tubig-tubig pa.
Sad na ako si Dad.
embarrassment. Hi, I'm Joy. Happy to meet you.
Ano po?
I'm sadness.
Pas-
I'm so sad.
Well, kunin mo
I'm
yung...
anger. I'm always angry.
Ko'y baho.
I'm disgust. Just staying inside that too sun. Never run. Got joy, disgusted, anger, sadness here, and so much more. Anxiety, the bad behavior, envy, and embarrassment. Hi, I'm very happy to meet you. I'm so sad. I'm angry, Mom, always angry. I'm disgusted. To stay inside.
Hindi ko alam tinanong dyan.
The emotions I never know. Got joy, disgusting, anger, sadness, fear, and so much more. Anxiety, the bad behavior, envy, and embarrassment. Hi, I'm joy, happy to meet you. I'm sadness, I'm so sad. I'm anger, I'm always angry. I'm fear, I'm disgust. To stay inside at this without much to we got joy, disgusting, anger, sadness, fear, and so much more. If anxiety, the bad behavior, envy, and embarrassment. Hi, I'm Joy. Happy to meet you. I'm sadness. I'm so sad. I'm anger. I'm always angry. I'm disgust. To stay inside
Kasi
out.
hindi kasha dyan. Lalagyan ko talaga yun dyan ng ano. Ito yung cellphone dati. Hindi, Pilipino.
I need a ukulele.
Pilipino.
Look at you. I need a telescope. I want this. This. Anxiety. Pangit ka! And we Side that they have and they embarrassment. Hi, I'm Joy. Happy to meet you. I'm sad. I'm so
Okay na,
sad.
notebook. O, gumawa.
I'm angry. I'm always angry.
Gumawa ng ano.
I'm disgusted.
Kayo malapit.
This
Pag
day
nagsasagot kayo, ano?
inside
Lapis
out
pa rin ba?
sun.
Okay, go. Get your pencil. Dali na. Dali na, lagay mo dito. O, ito na. Pilipino. Sumulat ng tigli-limang.
How about you can do a backflip?
Ayusin mo muna yung mga laruan dyan.
Kuya, are you sure you can do a backflip jump? Backflip
Ayusin mo
jump?
hindi nakapasok. Medyo nakalabas.
Kuya, you can do,
So, yung naka-display.
you can
Ganyan.
make a backflip jump. Kuya, are you sure you can make a backflip jump? I want you to make one.
Na.
If it's side and back,
Sumulat.
have back. And
Sumulat ng tigli-limang pangusap.
hi, I'm Joy. Happy to meet you. I'm sadness. I'm so sad.
Hoy, dali na.
Anger. I'm always angry.
Sumulat ng ano, ng tig...
I'm just.
limang pangusap.
I'm this.
Pati daw yung ano, yung
to sun in the motion man with anxiety and bad behavior, envy and embarrassment. I enjoy happy to meet you. I'm so sad. I'm angry. I'm always angry. I'm disgusted. La 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 la. La 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 la. Lazarus here and there. Lazarus here and Lazarus. It's Lazarus. Lazarus. La 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 Lazarus. It's Lazarus. La la Lazarus. Levi and Lazarus. La la Lazarus. Haha. It's Lazarus. La la Lazarus. Levi, land, and lessons. Sigh, joy, happy, king. I'm sadness. I'm so sad.
Oh, halika na. Dali na naman. Mal, nasa tayo sinipinigit mo. Binigay mo ba?
Mary, Mom.
Hanapin mo nga yung... Wait, tawag ka malikot. Ayan. Ayan. Ito ay...
Some say boo, then I'm not the thing about me. Baby, I can sing some say boo, and I'm free.
Wala pang 18, no?
Anxiety, behavior, envy, and embarrassment.
Ayan na, pag ikaw mag-ano ng mga libro mo, ito na yung pakit. Ayan, meron nang nakasulat. Well, pwede ba kausap na kita? Sabi ko, likitin mo na yung laruan mo at mag-aaral na tayo. Tama namang na yung laro. Kahapon ka pa, ng isang araw ka pa, puro ka na laro. Hindi mo na inintindi yung pinapagawa sa inyo sa school. Obligasyon mo tapusin yan. Student ka, di ba? Oh, yung mga nakasulat na yan ha. I said get your pencil, not pen. meron na yan. So, pipili tayo.
Okay, ano yung sagot?
Sabot. Meron, may pinapagawa si teacher. Gumawa daw ng papay.
Eight, Mami.
Pipitin na to eh, hindi pa rin niligpit.
Eight.
5!
Uy, eight. Sabi mo, seven,
Oo, 8 na. Okay.
First pati teacher, mga teachers sabi August 5.
Okay, wait lang. Dito tayo sa wala pa pala to. Sige. Sabi lang ni teacher, gumawa ng ito. Sumulat ng tiglilimang pangusap na may pambalana at pantani.
Alam ko, pambalana.
Ano ba yung pambalana at anong pambalana at pantani? Nandito ba yun?
Yes.
Pambalana at
Wala
pantani.
natin sa teacher pambalana.
Tinuro na sa inyo yun, pambalana at puro panghalit lang. Ah, ito. 6. Page 6. So, i-discuss ko lang muna sa iyo ha. I-discuss ko sa...
Mami, may sagot ako dito. Mama, ito.
Mga lugar, Laguna, parang Dr. Jose Rizal Bella, mga bagay, yamang Pilipino, Dins Bango Pensilco, Monggol,
Mongol ito.
Mongol.
Yung pencil brand.
Mongol at Mike.
Like,
Okay, dito na tayo. Sige na, i-explain ko muna sa'yo, ha? Dito tayo kay mga tao.
as per yung
Ito, ano ba to? Alam mo na ba to? Tama na yun. Tama na lang po.
I'm so sad. I'm brown.
Bakit yung sinagutan?
Baby.
Oo.
Mama, I'm just
ay, hindi na ito.
yes.
Okay, ito na.
I like the train.
So,
Like the
kung ipakikilala mo yung sarili, lagyan ng check. 4 lang bago ang numero ng
Yeah,
mga
two,
sasabihin mo. Siyempre, pag pagpapakilala ka sa school, unang sasabihin.
Ano, what? Okay. Ano, okay, check out. Check? Okay,
sadness.
Ano ba yung edad?
anong edad?
Ano ba tayo English na edad? Age.
Check.
Excited.
Tirahan, check.
No, hindi na. Pagamitan, hindi na yan.
Embarrassing.
Sasabihin mo pa ba yung mga gamit mo?
Like
Ano yun? Hindi na. Mga pet mo, sasabihin mo pa sa school yun. O, mga
It's
magulang.
exciting and
Yes,
back
yes. Panganakan. Panganakan birthday. Kaibigan, hindi na. Para lang natin ganyan. Mga paborito, pwede rin. Kasi dapat ito about yourself.
yes, mommy.
Ah! Wait lang lang yung tapusin ko lang si Papa mo para tapos na ako. Wala na mga...
Mami!
Pag tanong ako, saan ka sasagot. Okay? Siyempre, alam mo yun. Hindi ko na alam mo. Pero ito yung pinagsasabi sa inyo, tinutulong sa inyo. Siyempre, nagbabasa ng teacher. Nagbasa at wait lang. Sinabitan mo ito. Gamitin ang magagalang na pananalita na ang pagsusunod. Papasok ka sa paaralan, nakasalubong mo ang iyong guro. Anong gagawin mo? Babati ka ng magandang umaga po, Ginang, o Miss Binibining. Ano ba? Pangalan ng teacher mo dito sa Pilipinas?
Teacher Jessica.
Jessica.
Hindi siya blind eh. Nag-take sa computer.
Hindi blind, hindi mo malabo lang mata. Ang blind yung hindi nakakita. Dito. Ayan. So, yung pag-greet sa tao, alam mo, importante yung pag-greet sa tao. Lalo na yung mga teacher mo kapag nasa school ka, i-greet mo. O di ba sabi ng mga Julie, kahit hindi yung teacher, basta alam na teacher din sa school, o teacher din sa kabilang school na high school, i-greet mo pa rin. Kasi it's still a teacher, it's sign of respect, okay? Kapag greet ka ng mga elders, i-greet mo din sila. O di ba, pinag-greet mo, lalo po sa dulo. Okay, tatandaan mo yan, ha? Good morning po, hindi po. Good morning po. Opo lang, means yes. Pag may tinanong lang na ang sagot mo ay yes sa English, sa Tagalog, pwedeng sagutin ng opo. Kasi yung word na opo sa Tagalog, sa Pilipino, sign of respect. Lalo sa mga elders. Diba? Kaya ikaw, pag sasagot ka sa akin, bilang parents mo, po, opo, diba tinutulong sa school? Ano ho? Kapag hindi mo na-intindihan yung sinasabi ko, ano po or ano ho? Okay. Ayan na. So ano to? Paghula sa nilalaman ng paksat.
Nag-learn natin sa grade 2, teacher na.
Yes, ganun din yun. Magpo-continuous lang kasi yun. Kung ano yung pinag-aralan sa grade 2, magpo-continuous lang din. Kaya meron pa rin yung mga pinag-aralan mo sa grade 2 na meron din sa grade 3. Eto, alam mo na ba yung mga parts ng books? Kasi marami pa rin bata or katulad na student kids. Hindi pa rin alam yung mga parts ng books. Yung mga part, pag sinabing parts, mga nilalaman ng aklat. Okay, eto ano yan? Sa tingin mo ano yan? Front page ng or cover ng book. Diba? Ganyan yung cover ng
Ano
book.
pamagat?
Pamagat, title. English title, pamagat, Tagalog. Oh, mga may akda. Pag sinabing mga may akda, ano yun? Mga sumulat ng libro na yan. Okay? Mga nag-publish o sumulat ng libro na yan. Oh, may kita mo yan, ito. Mga may akda, si Emilia, si Eliana. Minsan kasi, sa isang libro, hindi lang isa yung sumulat. Pwedeng 3, pwedeng nga marami. Basta nakalagay yan dito sa front page.
I want to have book practice.
Oh, kung gusto mo, mag-practice ka na magsulat ng mga story, ng mga kung ano yung mga gusto mong isulat. Dun yun, para maging writer ka. O, yan yung cover
How
book
to get
or
all of the
tawag
promo
dito?
codes on Aptala.
basta ito yung cover book sa English. Nandyan yung title.
How to
or
get all the
pamagat.
promo codes out.
Mga may akda
How
o
to
mga
get a
sumulat.
promo
Mga
code
writer or
furniture.
author. Ayan, okay? Nandiyan yan sa front page. O, ano nga ulit yung pamagat sa English? Correct. Pamagat, title, mga may akda. Sa English ay correct, title. Ano yan? Pamagat, title, mga may akda, title. Dito yung nakikita. Ayan. Dito sa taas, dito sa front cover, ayan, yan ang pinag-pinagay sa title or pamagat. Pamagat. Mga may akda dito sa baba. Nakikita mo pangalan ng tao.
Guys, I told you white dress code. Okay, good. Hurry
Ano
up.
naman yun? Hindi na tayo tatalon dito. Hindi pa tayo tapos dito.
Okay. We ready now? How about this? What? How so quick? Oh, yeah. How so quick? Let's go.
Tagapag-limpag. Tagapag-limbag.
Guys, I told you white dress code. Okay, good. Hurry up.
May mga nag-publish
Okay.
ng ano.
We ready now? How about this? What?
Yan.
Maritime.
Ibig sabihin, kung ano yung ito yung pamagat, title.
Whose plane sent out 220? Let's find out. I really hope it's either gonna be Disgust or Enu because they're my favorite. We got Disgust. I also made a Disgust song, and if you like and subscribe, you get a free Disgust plushie. I'm Disgust. Something doesn't smell right. Whose plane sent out 220?
お金稼ぐ俺らはスターお金稼ぐ私はスタースタースタースタースタースター
Kung ikaw yung sarong ni Daddy, maingay ka.
稼ぐ俺らは
Mamaya tayo ng sulat na.
私は
Pusin lang namin yung pula. Ito.
スタースターキラキラ
Eat a chicken in front of.
We're besties, right? Obviously. Would you be mad if I broke your eraser? Nah, I'm chill. Because it's one of those dope erasers you can take apart and put back together. Super cool, right? But what if I accidentally smashed your phone? No. We're besties, right? Obviously. Would you be mad if I broke your eraser? Nah, I'm chill. Because it's one of those dope erasers you can take apart and... Hey, we're besties, right? Obviously. Would you be mad if I broke your eraser? Nah, I'm chill. Because it's one of those dope erasers you can take apart and put back together. Super cool, right? But what if I accidentally smashed your phone? Go to hell. We're besties. Hey, what's your Wi-Fi password? It's the same as yours. Wait, how do you know my password? It's a secret. No, it's the same as yours. But I've never told you my password. Oh my gosh, no, just type in the same as yours. I'm doing it right now. Harry Styles is a babe 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't work. Kick her out. Kick her out.
Kick her out. I can't stand.
Mommy, I drew a picture of our family. Oh, wow. Good job. I'll hang it on the fridge for Daddy to see when he's home from work. Mommy, I drew a picture.
Guys,
Guys? Excuse me, Beth? Oh my god, your nails are so cute. I've been wanting nails just like these.
Oh, can I do that?
You can do these?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yes!
Okay, let's go.
Nasty. Is somebody gonna match my freak?
What kind of nail design do you want?
Match my
I want
freak.
these, but in white.
Match my nasty. I got stamina. They say I'm an athlete. Is somebody gonna match my freak? Need somebody with a good technique. Is somebody gonna match my nasty? Pillow talking got my throat raspy. If you keep up with me, I'll keep on coming back. If you do it too good, I'm gonna get a dash. 'Cause it feels like heaven when it hurts so bad. Baby, put it on me. I like it just like that, just like that. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty girl, just like that. I've been a nasty girl, nasty. I've been a nasty. I like it just like that. I've been a
Yeah, I'm gonna shove this up the teacher's ass. So let me sit here. Wait, what? Oh, there's a spike here. Okay, let me pick this up. Yeah. What the hell are you doing? Oh no! Help me! Cling, cling, pew. No, it's not Timmy. It's this motherfucker. What? No, it's not me. Wait, no. Oh no, my plan has been foiled! What the hell? Yeah, I'm gonna shove.
If you win in this game, we get married.
Toka boka!
It's okay. It's okay. 1, 2. Kim style. It's okay. So here, let's go here. Oh, guys. So I have to end the video. Bye.